Here is a quick look at a Blum Minipress. We just got this in stock, and this is a used model. We are going to demonstrate quickly how this works. It's a pretty simple setup. 220 volt single phase connection, as well as an air line. You can put it in clamping mode, or you can have the clamps off. And with the clamps on, as you see here, then there's a release button to turn the clamps back up. I don't have any drills in the machine right now, so that's why we don't see any holes, but they do use standard drill bits, 57mm length. And it does come with a rebuilt drill head as well. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.